So how to record screen with your audio on your iPhone? Open your control panel, then press and hold. Now add a control. Now here is the screen record. Just add it on your control panel. You can resize your icon as well once done. Now if you press and hold, it's say microphone on or off. If you want to record with your iPhone, then just enable it, and if you don't want to record your outside audio, just disable it, then press on start recording. Now it will record. Now you can record anything. To stop it, you can press on this icon, or if you are using old model iPhone, then just scroll down and press on this icon again. Now your screen record will be saved on your gallery. Now let's check. Go to my image gallery, and here's the video. Now from here you are able to edit, crop, or anything, or if you want to send from here, you are able to send or save to file or send anywhere. So this is how you can easily record your screen. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Have a good day.